Well, it's nice to be back in Hollywood. I love the States, but it's been a long time since I've been back in LA and back in Hollywood. And the last time we did this particular one was 1985. Dear Lord. I was a young boy then. I'm only 28 now. As that magnificent actor, Paul Freeman says in the first one, the Ark is history. And Indiana Jones has brought forth I must have met at least 500 people who are archaeologists or museum curators, all of whom say, if it hadn't been for Indiana Jones, we would never have done this. Oh, just to see whether it fits in with their dream of Indy and another adventure. If we do that, then we'll have made a lot of people happy. And the other day I was at a fan convention and 3 men came up. Grandpa had seen the film when he was 11. He'd taken his son to see the film when he was 11 in the cinema. And they had just taken their grandpa's 11-year-old grandson to see the film in the cinema. I think there are more generations who will come and watch this movie, these movies. It's a great romp.